22.
Out of bid down at 21. Her close bid 20,000 out of bid goes on at 20. Coming down the lane, my T31 2012 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe custom order with 10,000 miles and Screaming Eagle Kit. No reserves. I'm taking it in 10. I'm taking it in 10,000 out of bid. Now I'm taking it in 5,000 out of bid. Get 5. I'm taking it in 5. I'm taking it in.
Inside here, folks. Mecum Auctions staging lanes here, folks. This is just one of the tents. Wow. Never ending here. Another tent, more cars. This is like Friday or Saturday's cars. I didn't know that Demons have carbon barrels, wheels. RX-7's pretty sick. So many cars. Car heaven. These are more cars out here that didn't meet their bidding prices, so they bring them out here. Look at this. All original. Documented survivor. It's a Coyote, nicely restored. Beautiful Mustang here too. Some of my favorites here this week. Love this GT 500 here. Yay. Camaro turned Trans Am. Look at that. These wheels. Interior. What a custom job that is. Nice. We go for big bucks here, folks. 70 CUDA. Testarossa Ferrari. Oh my. These wheels are amazing. We got tents for days here. Goes back and there's more tents, more cars. It's just miles in here. Look at these. That nice. Wild. Big trucks here. Bunch of Saturday cars in here. Real deal there, folks. Real deal. Cars and tents for days here at Mecum. 2024 July. Cars for days here. Those cars for days. So here you can just open the hoods, the doors, check them on out. Kind of wild. We got a NASCAR starting up. They're a nasty Sonic car here, boy. I had to come film it. Wow, that thing sounds nasty. Nastiest Sonic car here other than NASCAR. Whoa, smell that. Smell that exhaust. Premium race gas in that thing. Oh yeah. There you go. Pro Street, 1240 horsepower. It's got 1800 without nitrous. Or no, 1800 with nitrous.
Sounds really good.
Yeah, it does. It smells good. Cars and more cars here. This goes on and on. Crazy. Nice Challenger. Got this new Challenger with the cool heavy old school logo on there. And then I got a Cobra with a new 5.0 in there. Nice. Just non-stop cars all over. Just keeps going and going. Here's one for Bill. Wow. It's nice. Talk about low. Oh yeah. Wheels. Oh yeah, look here it is. Super stalker. Yeah, buddy. Go smell it. Because that GT Mustang went for almost $20,000. Pretty awesome. Just keeps going and going here. See one of these crazy Tesla things. Alrighty. Urge. Amazing lays on there. Quick walk in. It's like they're pulling into the show.
I can't see. I gotta move.
We are. That's it, folks. Rock 2024.
Now offering out 191 and 41 Packard 160 convertible.